Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the dryer sensor wire harness in your dryer. The reason why you might do this is because the automatic dryer sensor is not working in your dryer. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. This is our dryer model. It's a Kenmore. Now keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. To get to the dryer sensor wire harness, we're going to have to remove this panel right here. So there are 2 screws holding it on, and we can use our 1/4-inch nut driver to get those off. Once those screws are off, you just take your panel, pull down on it just a little bit, and it comes right out. So this is our dryer sensor wire harness. And we've got 2 wires up here that are plugged in. We'll just use our pair of needle nose pliers to get up in there, and we can just pull them out. Now, we'll just use a thin flathead screwdriver to push this tab in, and then we can pull it all apart. Now, grab your new OEM replacement dryer sensor wire harness. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So we're just going to plug this back in here. And we're just going to reach up through here and then plug everything back in up here too. That one there. There we go. Both of them are nice and snug in there. Now you can grab your lower access panel and we'll put that back into place. There we go. And now we can screw it all back in. And then once you've done that, you can plug everything back in and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.